That's right, Anne-Marie. The state wants the court to decide right now if this law is constitutional and be done with the legal battle. But the justices indicated they will probably only decide on what happens with the law right now during a short time while this goes through the courts. 5 justices, 1 woman, and 4 men are tasked with deciding if a new Indiana law limiting abortions is too restrictive.
Liberty has meaning.
Ken Falk with the ACLU of Indiana argues the state constitution protects a woman's right to an abortion. He says that liberty equals body autonomy, and he wants the law permanently blocked.
The legislature has decided to enact laws for an ethical purpose to respect that life.
The state Solicitor General, Tom Fisher, ultimately thinks the law should take effect. He wants the High Court to make a final decision that the new abortion law is constitutional. That would end this legal challenge to the law that bans all elective abortions. Chief Justice Loretta Rush pushed back on the state's request to end things quickly. She and the other justices asked tough questions of both attorneys for about an hour.
You're asking for a qualified right. Who qualifies that right?
The court signaled it would decide if it wanted to let an order blocking all or some of the new abortion laws stay in effect while the lawsuit moves through the courts. The justices said they believe the ultimate decision about such a polarizing law deserves time, care, and consideration.
You know, and there's educated, moral people on both sides of this issue.
And now we wait. The court didn't give itself a timeline for making a decision, so it could be a few weeks or months before we know if this abortion restrictions on abortion will continue in Indiana.
All right, Sierra, something will continue to follow. Everyone wants to know answers. So the abortion ban, also known as SB1, it's a hot topic in and out of the courtroom.
Our Emily Longnecker caught up with some Hoosiers who are making their voices heard during the debate at the State House. Look, there are strong feelings on both sides of this issue, and we are seeing that play out here in the halls of the State House as the court considers SB1.
On one floor, Hoosiers raised their voices and signs in support of access to abortion care in Indiana as they called for SB1 to be overturned.
No one's pro-abortion. We are pro-human. We are pro-human rights. We are pro-women's rights. And we are pro-women's reproductive rights.
One floor below,
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with you.
Hoosiers with Corpus Christi for unity and peace raised their voices in prayer, praying that Indiana's abortion ban will eventually stand.
We hope that the Supreme Court understands that there is nothing in the Constitution that says that abortion is written into that Constitution, because there isn't.
And while the Indiana Supreme Court has heard oral arguments from attorneys, you can see on both sides of this issue every day Hoosiers have their own points to argue. At the State House, Emily Longnecker, 13 News. Thank you, Emily. We've been following these developments closely, and we're going to keep on it following them as the court makes its decision.
And we'll keep you up